Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 31 from this slide and stable platform. First, don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new platforms and stable platforms to invest. We can see everyone, you can recharge from here and withdraw from here, and if you want to know info about the platform from here, and when you want to receive the income from here, I will explain to you how to recharge. Copy this address and go to Trust Wallet or any wallet, choose TRC20 and send the money to this address, and after that click recharge complete. We can see everyone, minimum deposit 10 USDT and in TRX this number. I will go to withdraw now. I will choose put the number here, put amount here and address link TRX wallet or USDT here, and click put the password here. After that click choose. I will put this and show you. Like we see everyone, this is my withdraw, and the withdraw arrive directly. Like we see everyone. See. I will go to Trust Wallet and show you. See? The withdraw arrived in 1 second to my wallet. Don't forget everyone, subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new platforms and stable platforms, and you will see link register platform in the description. Good luck everyone.